Stein veranderde. Stein veranderde. With me, guys. I need some double-sided tape. Don't peel off the spider, okay? I made something shiny and gold.
Ooh, that looks so cool. Where are you gonna put it? There. Do you remember when I was doing this art vlog from Miami? Well, these two boys came to visit us here in London after lockdown was eased, and they did a little project with cardboard boxes that we're gonna share with you guys. So keep watching, and I hope this inspires you to recycle your boxes and create something fun that your kids can play with. So keep watching! So what are we doing today?
Box
Art. And we got these recycled Amazon boxes, and what are we making out of them?
A car, a giant car.
A massive car, so
It's gonna be for me!
for both of you, right?
No.
But I
Sounds
think
big.
because we don't have an engine, maybe one of you have to push it and the other one sits inside.
Oh yeah.
Henry, what are you working on?
I'm working on the force of the car. Don't you think it's looking good?
It is. What's this thing in the middle?
That?
Just try you one, yeah.
That is the vents that the car's beginning has. Oh yeah, the lights are with my brother. There are some lights.
The lights are over here, yeah. So these are paper plates that we painted yellow.
So right now I might need this.
Over here, what is Salvatore working on? What are you making?
My seat.
Your seat. So are we gonna put that inside?
Yes.
And then you painted the front window over here in light blue.
I did.
That's gonna look so cool. Okay, cool.
Stein veranderde. One of another. With me, guys. I need some double-sided tape. Don't peel off the spider, okay?
Nice. Look at that sharp line. Wow! This is the wallet and all the money that goes inside the car.
Nope, that's not it. We still have this much left. We have a lot of work to do. 200.
200.
There we go. Ready?
Fantastic. Okay. And then we need 2 on the other side.
Simple. Hey, hold on. Stand here. Now, Henry, sit on that seat and I'll be the driver. I'll be the driver here. No. Sit inside. Sit inside.
Can you fit?
Here we go. Ready? Turn on the sirens! Yeah! I see! Amazing!
What's amazing?
Charlotta is a really good person. And not only that, but she's so fun to hang out with. She helped us build this amazing car. And not only that, but it truly is amazing. The back of it is legendary. The wheels are well painted and crust, and it only took 2 art lessons. There's a wheel in here, you can't see it because we're very big boys, which means you take up the whole car and even stretch it a little bit, but it is awesome.
Henry?
And we've built art projects over the last 5 whole years.
Henry, what do you think about art classes?
Awesome.
What do you think is awesome? What's fun about it?
Well, first of all, we're doing art, and I love art.
Yeah.
Second of all, I love how we build like the boxes out of things. Pretty neat. It's recycling. So like you turn a useless box like this and a couple other boxes we'll put this to this projection into this beautiful thing. You take a giant Amazon cardboard box, turn it into a beautiful, stunning, kissable car.
Kissable even, wow. Amazing, well done guys. I
And
love
as you
this
can
project.
See, as you can see, this is not actually
ready now
fluffy.
to the race?
Yes! Go! We're not going that fast, you know. Pretend we're in a race. The race starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Get in, get in. Ah! Get to that pole!